welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm not gonna say subscribe. You guys can subscribe if you guys want to, but you guys can definitely like. It'll help me out with what I'm trying to pursue here. So this video is going to be about how I get my orange and red and, you know, just basically the orange hair colors that you guys always see on my Instagram feed. And I'm also going to be talking about my hair in general, you know, how it is, all the colors I have done, and all that stuff, and just about my hair. If you guys would like to know about my hair and how to get this color and all that other fun stuff, then keep on watching. So getting it out the way, my hair was not dark before I did any type of red or any of the orange shades I had. My hair was already chemically bleached, and it was professionally bleached before each color. A lot of people always ask me like, hey, I have really dark hair and I don't want to bleach my hair. How can I get it your color? This is what I do for my hair. Like, I bleach my hair. I have no problem with bleaching my hair because I know my hair is strong enough to take the bleach and all the chemicals, because I actually do take really good care of my hair. So when I first did any type of bleaching process, it was probably 2017 or late 2016. It was one of them, probably 2017. But I decided to bleach my hair, and like, I was already going for a ginger color. So for this color is a new orange shade that I have never tried before, a new brand, and you know, like, I always use Overtone. So for my orange shades, I always use the brand Overtone. So the orange shade I use for this one is a new product that I've never used before, but I'm gonna try it so bad. It is the Arctic Fox Sunset Orange, and it's a semi-permanent hair dye. It looks just like this, matches my nails. It looks just like this. It's cruelty free and 100% vegan. It also shows you right there like a little logo on the bottom, whatever that's called. You guys can tell that the product is very orange looking at the cap. I also mixed in the yellow one from Arctic Fox, and it didn't make a very like lighter orange, but I wanted to go for very vibrant. So later towards the process, I was like applying it just without the orange, without the yellow, and it created this color. I love it. This is probably the best orange shade that I have ever had and gotten before. I've wanted to do a lot of I wanted to do a brighter orange just because the other oranges were good, but they weren't as bright as I was going for. Like, for example, I love Overtone, but you guys can tell that it is a little darker. I'm scared to try this because I don't want it to turn red again, or close to red, or super dark orange. But it is currently, I think it's day 2 of, or day 3 of this hair color, so I have not washed my hair yet. So hopefully the color does not wash out super fast, or, you know, like it stains my hair like Overtone does, just so I can actually have color still. I don't want it to be back to blonde right away. It's just, no. But this is my hair now. Like, I took a picture and everything. This is just Arctic Fox thrown on bleached blonde hair, and my natural hair color is like a dark brown, but like a medium dark brown mixed together. So if you want to get some colors similar to this, and you have virgin dark hair or dyed dark hair, I'm not a professional, but from going off what I know, and what I did was I bleached my hair, and my hair was very dark dyed black hair. It was already super faded out, and yeah, so I put bleach over that. So yeah, we did bleach over that, and then it came out light, but it wasn't as light as I was hoping for, so we bleached it again in the same day. Mind you, this is all professionally done. I did a lot of deep treatments in between oils, Olaplex. If you don't know what Olaplex, it's like something really healthy for your hair. I know that. I have it in my room, but I broke my foot, so I'm not gonna be getting that anytime soon. But I could probably insert a picture somewhere around here. We added that, and yeah, like, my hair is very strong, and I'm surprised because I dyed a lot, but the dyes that I use are healthy, so unless the bleach, but like overtone is healthy. This is I believe this is vegan too. So after I bleached it, it was like really blonde, really like ugly. Some parts were a little bit patchy, but yeah, I did wear blonde hair for a while, so that's that. And then later, like a couple months later, I decided to do ginger, and it was like a very pretty ginger the way it came out. And I used Matrix. Matrix is a hair dye company, but it's very professional, so I'm not even sure if you guys are able to get it unless you have a specific license card to go into the store. That's how strict they are. But yeah, and then so that's the first part of the journey. And then I wore ginger for a while, and then I got tired of Matrix because it wouldn't hold the color as long as I wanted it to. Like it would really wash out for like every wash. I just didn't like that, so I looked at Overtone, and I really loved their products. The red dye that I use is also from them, by the way, guys. It smells like all their products smell like mint. It smells good. Like the only reason I keep going back is just because it's so pretty and it matches a lot better than red. So red was nice, but I like the orange better, like way better. You guys can see I also have the orange eyebrows. So yeah, again, if you have dark hair and you want to go light as this without bleaching it, I'm not sure how you can do it because I'm not a professional, and this is just what worked for me. Like I've only ever bleached my hair before doing one of these bright colors. But if you are going to use professional products and know somebody who has one of the licensed cards to buy it, for the developer, I know it's Redken that I used, and you just have to do research on which volume you're gonna use and what you should use. A lot of the time when I'm refreshing my hair color, there's already orange shades underneath, so I'm literally applying it over and over and over on it. So a lot of people sometimes ask me like, oh, how'd you get it so bright? Oh, it's not that bright for me. Like it also depends what color your hair was under and what, like how much product is underneath. By the way, guys, Overtone, the more you apply it, I know it'll stay on your hair longer, so that could be a good and a bad thing for some people. For me, that's kind of a good thing. But for some people who don't know too much about hair dyeing and all that stuff, then it might be a bad thing, especially if you're someone who loves to change their hair color a lot. There's your answer, guys. But yeah, guys, that is the end of my hair journey or about my hair video. This wasn't necessarily a video about a hair journey just because I've never had any super rough phases of my life where my hair was just super damaged. Like I always held my hair with a lot of care and you know, professionally done, especially when I do it dye or do any of that in any sort. Not to sound cocky or anything, but I just really never had my hair in a super bad stage. So I just, instead of saying hair journey, I'm just gonna say all about my hair video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing my hair, and you know, definitely learned about how to get that color if you're looking to get this color. If not, I'm still grateful that you have watched my video, clicked on it, you know, and just showed some attention because I really do appreciate it. There's tons of videos on YouTube that you guys can also check out as well. So if I didn't help you out, hopefully someone else does. If you guys would like to see a specific video on my channel, then feel free to comment that below and I will definitely be looking at it. I see every comment, every DM, every like, and sometimes every follow. If you guys have any questions, concerns, video ideas, etc., then feel free to, you know, comment or DM me, etc. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.